I work for HelloFresh as a procurement category manager for convenience, ready-to-eat items such as desserts, snacks, healthy bars, breakfast items, and non-alcoholic beverages, which is mainly juices and smoothies. HelloFresh's mission is to change the way people eat forever, and it operates in 18 countries with a meal kit delivery model, which means that a customer who don't know what to eat for dinner or lunch or even breakfast, they can pick the recipes in their box in the website, make the perfect box, select some add-ons, and then every single week they will get those boxes delivered in at home. So far so good. Well, it was definitely busy but very nice, very well organized, and the fact that I could know so well who I was going to meet was definitely more efficient than normal trade shows. I think that the fact that you get your own agenda and that you can manage your schedules and you can manage your appointments and you have a little bit of details not only on who's gonna show their products, but also the pictures of the products themselves, and understand really a little bit of company information and company products portfolio all in the same page is very useful for buyers, and this helps arrange the experience and make it not sure if effective, but definitely more efficient. Definitely efficient.